So right now slow, okay, need to stretch, work on your wide muscle. Control, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 of them. Very simple, okay? You go from on 1 to the side on 2, only on 3, only on 4, only on 5, only on 6, count to 7 and 8. Simple, easy. 4 slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leg up on 1, to the side on 2, 4 on there. You will do on the down. 3, 4, 5, 6, count you 7 and 8. We do pull the wall to the wall. 1, circle from 2, 3, and 4. Count you back, slide down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pull the wall to the wall again. 1, we go circle back. 2, 3, 4. We go plie, pass it. Artistry back. Ready. Arm open to the side. Slow. Up body involved. Do you remember last class? Continue. Again. Fourth one. Leg up. To the side. Stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From back and reverse. 1, front, up body involved. Good. 2 more. 1 more. Leg up. 1, to the side. On the down. On the down. On the down. One last one. Count 2. And clear. Pull the ball to the wall. Circle front.